RCB are a legendary team. I don't have any problem with that. But one team should always lose, and that should remain RCB.
Okay, and Umar, are you attracted to red flags?
What is red flags?
Gosh, have you never dated anyone?
The best music, Punjabi music I've heard is the sound of Shreyas Iyer's sixes. So that's enough for me.
Like Punjab, RCB have also played consistently good cricket throughout the season. So which means we're seeing two teams that deserve to be in the finals.
Shreyas still has like 5-6 years left, so he already has a title also. So Virat deserves one.
Yeah, you'll have more sad faces in the office, so it'll be fun.
See your Josh Inglis and I raise the Josh Hazelwood. Acha matchup hai. He's also done well against them just a couple of days ago.
And I think regardless of what happens in the final, Shreyas Iyer is already the greatest Punjab Kings player in history.
क्या इस साल पंजाबियों ने चक देने हैं फट्टे या फिर इस साला RCB कप गिलतारा? I hope I'm saying that right. I have a RCB supporter who's wearing a Punjab Kings jersey. And I have a Punjab King supporter who's wearing a normal plain t-shirt. Guys, how is the Josh right now? We are gonna get a new winner this time.
Yeah, very, very high.
You can't.
How is the Josh right now?
Yeah, very, very high. After 11 years, Punjab have sort of reached the final and I've been supporting them since 2011. I mean, on and off, it's been a toxic relationship of sorts, but I've stuck through. I love the 2014 team. You know, it has some great players, but like by some distance, the best Punjab team to have ever existed. And I think regardless of what happens in the final, Shreyas Iyer is already the greatest Punjab Kings player in history. So looking forward to the final and hopefully defeat RCB and make it 19 years and counting without a trophy for RCB.
Is your Punjabi playlist set or you need some help?
Yeah, I know of Sidhu Moosewala and the best music, Punjabi music I've heard is the sound of Shreyas Iyer's sixes. So that's enough for me.
Are you like scared of the rampage that Shreyas Iyer can create?
Absolutely not. It's going to be a great final. I'll be honest, of course, I'm wearing the Punjab Kings jersey right now, like everyone knows. RCB fan for life. But happy to see that finally we'll get to see a new winner from the original 8, importantly. So, maza aayega usme bhi. And like Punjab, RCB have also played consistently good cricket throughout the season. So, which means we're seeing two teams that deserve to be in the finals. So, come what may, you can't really say that this team got lucky or that team got lucky. So, that's a good sign. So, hopefully, we will see a fantastic final. And yeah, fingers crossed, RCB trophy barla appa manega.
ಇದು actually ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು.
We have a Chennai supporter who, I heard Akash saying that, we are going to get a new winner, and which is that one team that you're hoping for that you don't get to troll?
Yeah, I can't answer this because whatever I say, it will not happen. So, I hope Punjab loses the final.
A CSK wants RCB to win and lift the trophy. Interesting.
Yeah, I mean, not really, just get the clue. Damn! To be fair, whichever team wins, both of them deserve to win and both of them have done really well. So, may the best team win.
Okay, and Umar, are you attracted to red flags?
What is red flags?
Gosh, have you never dated anyone? You don't see red flags, maybe that's why.
I am fine with red flags. RCB is one of those guys who have the red flags, so red flag is really good, in fact.
Is this red flag team turning green this season? Which means, are they going to win?
Yeah, hopefully. We have been waiting since very long now, like 18 plus years now. Yeah, I know the Punjabans are similar to us when it comes to that, but we really hope Virat deserves one. Shreyas still has like 5-6 years left, so he already has a title also. So Virat deserves one. Let him have one.
Okay.
Hopefully, so RCB gets one.
RCB it is. And रोशन, मेरे को लगता है आप बड़े धार्मिक से हैं और मैं एक धार्मिक सी बात करना चाहूँगी. मैंने एक पैटर्न ऑब्जर्व किया कि विराट कोहली अभी हनुमानगढ़ी टेम्पल गए थे अयोध्या. ट्यूसडे को LSG के अगेंस्ट मैच हुआ था. क्या जीत हासिल की RCB ने. फाइनल है वो भी ट्यूसडे को, एंड ट्यूसडे माना जाता है हनुमान जी का दिन. सो आर द स्टार्स अलाइनिंग?
अब पता नहीं उस दिन क्या होगा, मतलब RCB जीतेगी या फिर पंजाब. मैं तो पंजाब के लिए रूट करूंगा. और आज के मैच में जैसे मुंबई हारी है, मैं चाहता था कि मुंबई हार जाए क्योंकि हमारे पास 5 टाइटल है. मैं नहीं चाहता था कि मुंबई 6 टाइटल जीते. और फाइनल में मैं पंजाब को रूट कर रहा हूँ.
एंड मैं हार्दिक के पास आना चाहूँगी जिनको हैशटैग द बोल्ड गाय का टाइटल मिल चुके हैं बहुत लोगों से. यू आर लाइक, आई थिंक यू आर बिकमिंग वेरी पॉपुलर फॉर योर सैवेज रिप्लाइज. सो व्हाट इज दैट वन सैवेज मैसेज दैट यू हैव फॉर द फाइनलिस्ट्स?
I have like a lot of friends who are RCB supporters, and I have friends who are PBK supporters. So I'd want both the teams to win.
How is that possible?
Then I'd want it to be a washout.
But eventually, like, we'll have a winner, no?
Yeah, but shared. It's like India Sri Lanka winning Champions Trophy. No one gives a shit about. So it's fine. Actually, no. We have more RCB fans, so I'd want Punjab to win.
So that's why you want Punjab to win.
Yeah, you'll have more sad faces in the office, so it'll be fun.
And Dhanush, जिनका मुझे कभी समझ नहीं आया, if he's a SRH supporter, I asked him if there's a final between SRH and RCB. You said that you want SRH to win. Now it's RCB versus Punjab Kings. Who are you backing?
Yeah, but SRH RCB, I'll say SRH because it's more like I see in a lens like an analyst that I am. I'm born and brought up in Bangalore, in Karnataka. Coming from a Kannada household, RCB was something that was part of a summer vacation, and I have memories of spending time with my cousins and my grandparents, supporting RCB during the growing times. So far, compared to all those qualifications, this feels special because 9 different players winning player of the match, and the whole team performing like a team out there, not depending on superstars or something as such.
Coming second time straight on Office Wives, I have Abhishek. Who are you backing? Because I have seen off the camera that all I know is that you don't want RCB to win at any cost.
Yeah. RCB are a legendary team. I don't have any problem with that. But one team should always lose, and that should remain RCB.
बकवास करती हरामखोर.
I want that cult to remain. That's why I'm backing Punjab.
Okay, brilliant. And we have a debutant also. I haven't informed him. But Vishnu, I need your predictions for.
I hope RCB will win, but maybe the PKB's chance is very high. As I told, we lost the war, not a
Battle. Now it's time for Shreyas Iyer versus Rajat Patidar. 2 new captains on the verge of scripting a history. Anirudh, who do you back as the player of the match versus RCB?
Because it's Ahmedabad, I am gonna go with an Aussie, so I'm gonna back Josh Inglis, who's been like on fire off late. So hopefully it'll be Josh Inglis and he helps Iyer, Ponting and everyone, and Punjab win their first IPL title. So my money is on either Josh Inglis or Marcus Stoinis to do a Ben cutting from like 2016.
Akshay, he has mentioned the Ben cutting thing. What do you have to say in return?
I mean, that's all right. You have to admit that was a fantastic cameo. It lost us the game, but yeah, new season, new beginnings, new endings, and all of that to be done. Since he mentioned Aussies and the kind of impact they've had, in Ahmedabad, and of course Josh Inglis, I see a Josh Inglis and I raise a Josh Hazelwood. Acha matchup hai. He's also done well against them just a couple of days ago. Exactly, never lost the final. He's played 8 finals across leagues, across countries. Never lost any of them. Has been in great form. So fingers crossed. Ahmedabad ke conditions bhi unke liye achhe honge. So he'll do well over there.
Oof, I truly loved the answer, and things are truly heated up in the Bengaluru office. Are they going to be in Ahmedabad? We'll get to know. Cricket, cricket, cricket.